Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another natural hair tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you real quick 3 simple buns that you can easily do on your natural hair, whatever occasion it is. These buns will fit the occasion really nicely. They take you under 5 minutes and it's very cute and can wear for whatever occasion. So here we go, let's just jump straight into it. Guys, so there you have it. That's just 3 simple ways in which you can do your natural hair buns. It takes you no time to do and they're really cute, and I really like the way that they turned out. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share this video, subscribe to my channel if it's your first time watching, and if it's not your first time watching, thank you for always coming back and always catching up with my hair tutorials, my cooking videos, and my family vlogs. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys for always watching, and hopefully you guys enjoy this tutorial. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.